Hello guys, here's my phone Oppo A52. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. Okay, in completion we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot and quick guide. Device made of plastic in the black color. In completion, key for USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Completion without headphones. Okay. And now talk about device. Quad camera, main camera and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera. On the left side slot for tuner SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Volume keys. On this side power key with fingerprint scanner. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. TFT display, Full HD resolution. Open settings. About phone, color OS version 7.1, version Android 10. Okay. CPU by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. Okay, and GPU Adreno 610. Resolution, display PPA. Look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay, look Antutu score. Antutu score, okay. And now run GTA San Andreas, the money game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Resume game. Game start on the maximum graphic level. Works good, very good, perfect. Okay, close this and talk about camera. We have quad camera and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.